Alright, so I've been rolling with a superhero. This is the Juggernaut Ultra Duo 4 step-through, and it's got legit superpowers. Super strength? Oh yeah, the Bafang Ultra mid-drive motor delivers 1,000 watts of power and up to 160 newton meters of torque. Steep hills, loaded cargo, gnarly trails, it doesn't just handle them, it owns them. It's got super stamina, dual batteries with up to 1,635 watt-hours of energy. That's leave in the morning, come back after sunset range. No recharge needed. Super smooth. Front suspension fork and these high-volume tires turn rocks and ruts into nothing. It's like the road forgot to be bumpy. Step-through frame, that's its secret identity. Easy to hop on, easy to hop off, no acrobatics required. Makes it the superhero anyone could ride. Night mission, no problem. With an integrated headlight to light up the path and a taillight to keep you safe, you'll never have to worry. And speed, up to 32 kilometers an hour on throttle, even faster if you're pedaling. You're not chasing the ride, you're leading it. Let's talk design. The reinforced step-through frame features front basket mounts, standard fenders, and a rear rack. Plus, it has almost endless colors with a custom powder coating option. This isn't just an e-bike. It's my go-anywhere, do-anything superhero, and every ride feels like a new adventure.